guys, today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. I need love, peace, and happiness. Health is wealth. And then there's no preparation for myself. I am contented for what I have, and I have nothing to ask for more. Instead, I give some help or blessings to those people who need the most. So let's go and see how are they.
Uliwat.
Oh, Day, thank you. Kupadala mo. Happy birthday kay mo.
Day! Para si Jomel day ho, hindi uta sa hagos ka hambay day. Happy birthday ulang kuno hambay nana. O salamat kuno sa imo nga padaga. Happy birthday.
Hello. So, good morning. Birthday. Dugang man kareng senior ka mga nangan. Ay, sana ka mauli. Salamat. Salamat ka ra. Pambakad kape. May pambakad kape, salamat. Happy birthday. Advance, Happy New Year. Mulai kon barya, ay gabanding kitang daywa. Ako galing 2025 manong kulay kon gidman gali. Salamat ka ra. Paskwa. Pero may paska pa tarang ipar na
Salamat dinggin at kakunwat. Happy birthday. Salamat.
Day, happy birthday day. Salamat sa imong maaga nga pagpamaskwa kakon ha. Thank you very much.